Let's perform a 30 km brake flush on this Corolla Cross Hybrid. Set the rack. Fill washer fluid. Remove old cabin air filter. And replace with new cabin air filter. Remove old engine air filter. And replace with new engine air filter. Remove the oil cap. Suck out the old brake fluid from the brake reservoir. Add new brake fluid. Raise the gear. Loosen up all the wheels. Lower the rear wheels. Open the brake bleeder screw to suck out the old brake fluid until new fluid comes through. Do this to all the wheels. Rotate the front tires to rear. Now bleed the front wheels. Last one. Tighten up the wheels for now. Set the tire pressure. Loosen up and remove old oil filter. Remove oil drain plug and drain old oil. Install new engine oil filter. Install oil drain plug with new gasket and torque oil drain plug to specs. Torque down the wheels for safety. Check brake fluid level and reinstall the cap. Don't forget to clean any spills. Add fresh new oil. Don't forget the oil cap. Reset both maintenance lights. Oil maintenance and the schedule maintenance lights. Test drive to make sure brakes feel fine and vehicle stops service is now completed. Thanks for watching.